Hey guys, just wanted to give you guys a update on this Bitcoin fab, and I want to show you guys a little something that I just recently come across, and I just want to show you how much of a scam this shit is. So first of all, it's not decentralized. Number one. So number two, you've got these fucktards out there saying it's decentralized, you can do whatever you want with it and not get any remorse or recourse from it. Bullshit. So all of your transactions are recorded from CoinBase and other websites. I don't know of too many of these websites out there that are continuing to allow these particular transactions to happen, which is it's unbelievable at this particular point. But anyways, we're gonna speed through this. I've been trying to get a new updates for quite some time now, and I just really got fed up with this shit. So here's a transaction that I made on a couple days ago. So, I decided to go ahead and reinvest into this stupid ass Bitcoin because it looked like it was fixing to boom. So put in, $364.40, and of course track the fees. And so I'm only investing $350.42. Which the fees are bullshit. That's just fucking outrageous for the fees. So anyways, I got $364 invested in it, and whenever I go to cash out, I'll guarantee you that they're going to take out that exact amount of fees again. So you're never ever going to get your money back ever. But anyways, I just wanted to show you something real quick. Let me bring it up here. So I've got, okay, here it is. So at the time of the writing of all this, so, the price was at $6,300 or $63,000, and the price that I bought it was $62,000. So it was a total of $196.15 difference. So my question is like, this doesn't really make any sense that so I checked my balance for, to see what the Bitcoin balance is. And, and upon checking it, I'm only $1.10 difference to the positive. Well, not even positive, because I still only have $365. So I just, I want you guys to see the difference between this math that I've done. So, and here's, I'm taking, $351 at the time. And then, of course, the initial fees, which is $351 or $350. So it's a whole total of $1.10 difference is what I came up with, and it just don't make any sense. It don't. And let's just take 364.40, right? And let's do the 351. Sorry, I got fat finger syndrome. Well, it would be the 350.42 because that was my initial investment. Of course, that's the fees, right? So, even if I went to that, I'm still in the hole. I don't even have enough. There's just not anything. So, again, it's not decentralized because in CoinBase, according to CoinBase, they're reporting you if you have a business account. Supposedly they're not reporting you if you have a personal account, which I hate to say this, but this is that according to the IRS, that's illegal, because you're supposed to report people who are earning money off of your services. It's not up to me to report my earnings when you're telling me that, oh, you've done a report for me, but you really haven't done a report for me. Coinbase, you're supposed to send me a 1099-G or a 1099 something that has 1099 on it. That is the legitimate legal way to do that. Whether it is digital form or done through whatever, you're supposed to do that. That's the IRS way to report the taxes and to report the earnings. And as far as I'm concerned, Coinbase, you can go fuck yourself, to this point that you're only distributing out $1.10 for $192 worth of $196 of difference. I should be getting that $196 because it's risen that much. And I think the difference between what I bought it at and what I didn't buy it at, I think I should have at least, $100 to the good. But you're a broker and you're out to screw people, and you're just like every other broker out there. Forex brokers, MetaTrader 4 brokers. It don't matter what broker it is. You're out to, all of you motherfuckers are out there to screw everybody. So I just want everybody to see this, that this is what Coinbase is doing to clients, and how there's absolutely no profit in this whatsoever. This is a total shit show.